In this short video, I am going to show you how you can enhance your Excel skill using ChatGPT. If you've not heard about ChatGPT, it's simply a state-of-the-art natural language processing AI made by OpenAI, and you can do some truly incredible things with it. Okay, that is what I'm going to show you. We will learn how to integrate it with Excel and see how you can make your work more efficient and faster using ChatGPT combined with Excel. Let's start. So, if you are new to ChatGPT, it's simple. All you need to do is to sign up using chat.openai.com. After signing up, you will be created and you will land on this dashboard. Okay, so let me open the Excel. This is what we do. We have our company records of numbers and revenue generated over across countries. So these are the revenue and the amounts generated. So we want to calculate the total. Okay, so want to do this, you can do this in Excel by clicking on this Excel function here, and Excel will tell you type a brief description of what you want to do and then click OK. Let's assume we want to calculate the sum. So what we want to do is I want to calculate the sum of all these figures. So what we'll do is to paste this information here. So long as it's pasted here, you now click on OK. Look at what it will tell us. Please rephrase your question. Now this is where ChatGPT come in. Let's try the skill of ChatGPT since Excel cannot give us what we really want at this moment. Go over to the browser and type that same question on ChatGPT and hit my enter. Now ChatGPT will now give us what we use and insert to get a precise response or answer. Now it has finished writing the formula to add up values in cells C2 through C20 in Microsoft Excel is as follows. This is the formula. Now it now gives us a brief description of what and how we can use this formula. See, you can simply type this formula into Excel and press enter to get the sum of the values in cell C2 through C20. The sum function will add up all the values in the specific range and return the results. So let's just copy this. Let's copy this now and paste it in our Excel sheet. Okay, so paste it here and you can see it has given us the response. So this is how easy you can use ChatGPT to get maximum and accurate records. With time, as we progress through this series, we'll be advancing more and more and possible ways we can incorporate ChatGPT into our Excel skills. The next thing we want to calculate is profit. We want to calculate profit from the revenue we generated and the cost. Now we likely know that removing cost from revenue will just give us our profit. But let's say we want to use ChatGPT to do this. But before we do this, I want us to try something. Now that we've gotten this formula from ChatGPT, what if we ask it to explain what this formula does or what it is? So what to do is to click on it. So it's now trying to explain what this function really does in Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is a brief description. So it has finished explaining what the sum function really is and how it works. Okay, you can also read through, give us an example here which you can walk through and see how it does and how the sum function actually works. Okay, so I just want us to be aware of that you can also inquire to know more about a function that you have asked it to give you the formula using the ChatGPT or in ChatGPT. Now the next thing I want us to do, like I said, is calculating the profit, whereby removing the cost from the revenue, we get the profit. Okay, let's say for us to get the profit, we also want to use the ChatGPT to get the profit for us, or try the normal Excel function by using this. Okay, let me go back to this place. I'll go back to the function and I tell it to write an Excel formula to calculate the profit. The revenue is in cell A2 and the cost is in cell B2. Okay, this is cell A2 and this is the cell B2. which is for the cost. Now we now say go. When we say go, it will now ask us to rephrase the question. Don't know what to rephrase again. Let's try ChatGPT if you can get a positive response. Now go over to ChatGPT and type in this and hit enter. It has given us the formula. Very easy and very fast. The formula to calculate profit in Microsoft Excel, giving the revenue in cell A2 and the cost in cell B2 is equal to A2 minus B2. So we can copy this code and go over to Excel and paste it. Okay, paste it here and hit our enter. Automatically, we've gotten our profit. So this is basically how to use ChatGPT to advance your Excel skill, do some basic calculation like we've done. Automatically, we've done summation and also subtraction. In the coming videos, we'll do more advanced functions using ChatGPT and see how to advance our Excel career. Until then, see you next time.